We have something called a drunk suit. It was developed out of Germany. And it's just like if you were intoxicated, your body is off. And so it helps simulate what would happen if a police pulls you over for a field sobriety test. This time of year, May, we're approaching the deadliest time for teen driving. You know, we're talking about proms, we're talking about getting out of school, out of excitement, maybe driving over the summer. And so it's called the 100 deadliest days of the year. So parents need to be aware that this is a very deadly time.
All right, coming at you.
What? No, that's so weird. Wait. I can't. That was really difficult.
Something you'd want to do for real?
No.
This is a wonderful opportunity to them. Where else can you go and you get this? Right now, I don't know any other manufacturer that we work with that put this out here, not only for their employees, but also for the schools as well.